Hey guys, so today we're going to learn about the pals and rails for ankle dorsiflexion. So this is what I'm going to have you warm up with. This is a phenomenal exercise to kind of strengthen that dorsiflexion, get some more mobility in your ankle. So you're more than welcome to put a mat under your knee to make it more comfortable. You want to make sure that this degrees is 90 degrees, so we're 90 here and 90 here, okay? So for starters, I'm just going to come forward. I'm really trying to stretch out that knee over the toes. From there, I'm going to try to build tension by kind of like making fists, almost like you're going to go into a tackle. I'm tightening my abs, I'm tightening my glutes, and then I'm like pressing down into the floor as if I'm going to take a jump up. I'm going to hold that for about 20 seconds, and then after 20 seconds, I'm actually going to lift my toes up to the ground and continue to try to almost like put a dent in the floor. After that, I'm going to release my toes, do it again for 20 seconds, and do about 3 rounds on each side.